Hey guys, I'm here to talk to you today about these really cool twinkle fairy lights that you can buy. They come in a variety of 4 different colours, blue, warm white, white and purple pink. So whichever colour you like. Every single set of lights has 8 different settings, and the 8 settings can be flashing or glowing. So you will use this remote here once you've plugged in the lights, and you press the button and you can change the mode. So one of them is off and then 8 of them are the different settings. If you buy more than one, as it's a curtain of fairy lights, you can connect them together, and this can be used for outdoor use to decorate your home or any kind of party you're having in your garden. They're also suitable for indoor use too. They're great for Christmas, birthdays, Valentine's Day or any other festive holiday that you guys are celebrating. So I'll just show you, if you buy more than one of the same or different colours, you can connect them together. What you want to do